Jump it up, let's go.
He checking in, he checking in, he checking in.
So you gave her your number?
Yeah, I'm 14. Jalen.
One. Blood. I'm in the middle, try to get someone.
I'm right here. Ah! Oh, I said. Yeah.
Ross, grab it. Stay tight.
Give me that!
Hold on. Go check. Ooh.
Oh!
Stay.
I got it.
Good finish.
I'll take the credit.
Oh!
Corner. Yep. Ooh.
That's us! Oh, that's crazy. Hey, Max, take top.
All in.
No way.
Go. They come back up here. Easy.
Go ahead, boy. I got big. Yeah. Oh, I'm throwing hands there. Damn.
Run, Travis.
We're running, fellas. Hey, they were shooting free throws. Gameplay was there. I'll be on the block. Back straight, switch, right. about to say. Oh, my fault. Excuse me. Oh! He hit it. Good hit, boy. Yeah, stay top. I got here. Oh, shit, my bad, right? Mossing him. Good hit, boy. All right.
Oh, that's such a good ball. I sold it. Oh, I'm so sorry.
Stay top. I got corner. Oh, shit, my bad. Switch.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
You good?
Oh, it's great ball.
We're gonna chill out, right? We're gonna chill out. Damn, chill out. Oh!
Fuck.
Oh! Sorry, good shot.
Stay right.
Oh! Oh, good hit, boy. That's it, yeah. Right. That's foul, that's me. Oh, boy. 14.
14.
Get your breath. I know how I see it. I know.
You know he ain't touching.
I'm a big
It's
dude.
a little
I know
tired.
it.
Hey, you know he ain't touching.
Yeah, I'll take one of the new ones. I'll take 24. Or you mainly got there. I'll figure it out. I got you.
Good job.
Good shit, boy.
I see.
I got here. Oh, wow. That's crazy. I hit ball too.
Ooh, I got moved. I saw it too. I got moved. I didn't move on far.
Oh, chill. I thought he was going to dribble.
And the thing is, a lot of people are. Good vision!
Wasn't that a violation, though? You should have told him it was a violation. Hell no.
All right, Nick, let me see some. No, I'm gonna trust you. I'm gonna trust you. Okay. The behind the back pass, I think, feel like was that on target is what. There it is. There you go.
20. Yep.
5 minutes, Matt. Yeah, 5 minutes, don't pick someone else. Only got one sub.
You can come in for me. That's okay. You put the glasses on. That's tough.
Scoot up. No.
Sorry.
One time.
Oh!
Watch Cutter.
Hey, good play. Huh? I got 23. I'm ball. First shot was ugly.
Screen, Trey.
Yeah, say that, say about.
Good shot, Rich. Rich, get top left. You got it. Good shot. You're good. Say hi, Chase, yo. Come on. Watch corner. Oh, travel.
Good pass.
I got ball.
Left, switch it.
Rich, you got left.
Oh. That's crazy.
Back out. Oh, you're good, right?
That's too short. Come on. Go ahead, man. Two. Relax on the foot. One on the release.
Drop down the line.
Good hit.
I got ball.
Left, switch it.
I got you.
Left. Come on. Left. Good. Oh, they have six. Behind you. We were trying to check up. It's all right. Oh, behind you. Hey, back.
I see you got your. She always got snacks.
Good hit. Good ball movement, fellas. Cookies. And one. Good play.
Let's go, man. 2 minutes. Left, Ryan.
Look up.
White ball, white.
There you go. Good hit, Ryan. Three.
It's cool. It's cool, Ryan.
Good hit. Behind you, Chase. Good hit, boy.
Right, Chase. Right, Chase. Get off.
There you go. Sorry, good save. Right behind. Yep.
Hooping is an activity that can be enjoyed by all. It's a team game about getting and stopping buckets. Everyone's always rushing to the goal. Well, make sure to rush and watch Team Gold Rush, one of the best teams in the Special Olympics of Virginia. Team Gold Rush even has former NBA All-Star participants on the team. Clearly, they've struck gold. Ready to suit up and practice? I know. We talking about practice. Not a game. We talking about practice. Practice still makes perfect. So when the opponent starts hitting their shots, Team Gold Rush can bounce back due to their training. Remember, offense sells tickets and defense wins championships. Watch us get a bucket and rush for the gold. We aim to be that gold standard. So want a team where you can win and have fun? Team Gold Rush is your number one. Smile Services DC was started with the idea of making a difference. Dr. Albert Coombs III and Dr. Kevin Granger chose to practice healthcare for its ability to impact the overall mental and physical health of our community. Diabetes, high blood pressure, GI, and other systematic diseases are common within the African American community and are often worsened by poor oral health. We guarantee that when you walk through our door, we will treat you not as a patient, but as family. From the seats you sit in to the warmth of our staff, we provide an intimate environment that offers our community a place to come and feel welcome. We chose our location, staff, and work environment to serve our community. So it's important that we offer a much-needed practice that's reliable and highly qualified, with a clean and safe environment that everyone can have access to. This is why we accept the most health insurances and offer affordable rates for services not covered. At Smile Services DC, we strengthen our community by offering services that help not only with the overall physical health of our patients, but their confidence too. When you have your big job interview, wedding day, graduation, you want to feel happy and confident, and Smile Services DC can help with that. So come on down and have a healthy smile with your family. We're always told, aim high, reach for the stars, practice makes perfect. But those aren't just phrases. At Eagles Gold, they're a way of life. Because aiming high means never giving up. Reaching for the stars means lifting each other up. practice, that's where champions are made. Being great does mean being your best, but even all the greats need a good team. So make sure you're excited for yourself and your teammates. We are Eagles Gold. We aim high together, and together we soar.
I got him. All right.
Right. White ball.
Come on.
Yep. And one. You're good. Yeah, I got you. I got here.
Ryan, white shirt.
Oh, I hit. I say I touched the ball too. Screen to assist. I like that. Good read, Chase. Good hit, boy. You want here or here? White ball. Oh.
Sorry, come on, Jason.
Bang. Never mind, don't bang out. Oh, he held the fuck out of my hand. Give me that. Oh. Good block, good hustle. Hey, who got hit? Oh, no, he ain't about the ball.
That's a gamble. That's a gamble. Get back, watch it.
Switch. Yep. Hey, I got 23 on defense.
Line 25.
No, I meant Trey.
I got shooter.
Oh, y'all casual?
Trey, I got green.
All right. I'm so serious. Okay, I got 23 right here. Trey.
Double zero. Bring it back, bring it down. Go ahead.
Oh, that's tough.
2.
I thought we had some. Go ahead, boy. Not, but so y'all are casual, bro.
Yeah, that is.
That, I don't know. That's us, that's us. That hit off his hand, I swear to, oh, that's tough. Well,
Outside.
I'm right there. I was hoping he missed that one. Yep. Look up. Behind you. Oh, that's tough. That's tough. Go ahead, boy.
Coming down.
Right. Good defense.
Oh, it's on me.
We actually can't dunk, unfortunately. No, I mean like else we had a technical. I got ball.
Like that,
Yeah, so serious. Behind you! Oh! He didn't hit that. He didn't even hit that one. That went straight out of bounds. Oh! 10 seconds.
Right.
I don't know if that's good offense or good defense, but y'all scored 100 points between both of them.
Hey,
Dude, I thought it was the fourth quarter.
so like they're actually in casual.
Sports is one of the few things that genuinely connects us together. Whether with coworkers, friends, family, we all love the entertainment. Well, here on Get a Bucket, my goal is to talk about sports and its cultural impact. The WNBA, for example. The WNBA is loads of entertainment, from the new rookies battling, displaying their skill sets, and preparing to take the league by storm, to the titans and the MVPs of the league clashing for battles we'll always remember. From imagining the soon-to-be possibilities to admiring and treasuring the finales. Get a Bucket is a platform where other sports analysts, hoopers, coaches, and fans of the show come and talk about the WNBA, both negatives and positives. So if you haven't, take a quick peek. At the very least, you'll have a good time. Remember, sports is one of the few things that genuinely connects us together. So please, tune in and stay connected.
Go ahead, Chase. There you go, Sid. We gotta get those rebounds. Get it back to him.
Baseline. And you can clear your fouls up.
Who got him? Your rebound, Sid. Hey, go hustle, boy. Oh, where? Go ahead.
I got back one. Never mind. Come on, Ryan.
Ah. It's all right. It's all right. He should have just laid that up with the right. But it'd be like that sometimes. hands. There you go. Yeah. Ooh. He won't out? Okay. There you go, say it. He's okay. He is flutter kicking them feet. Every shot. It's hitting though. Yeah, hitting though. There you go, Ryan. Oh. Oh. It be like that sometimes. I knew that shit was lucky the first quarter. Good shot. Hey, yo. It's funny, she sound like that. Ooh. Oh. Yeah. That was a tight window. There you go, fellas.
They just want to throw this shit up in the fourth quarter.
Good two foul, Sid. There you go.
I knew his ass couldn't shoot. He just made that lucky ass shot against me earlier. Behind the back.
There you go. Hey! Good rebound. Good hit. Good teamwork.
Ryan, you try it.
Outlet. Oh, I shouldn't even because he ain't pat. There you go. Pull it. Hey, you might as well. You got it from right there. Good teamwork. Oh. No, don't. And your glasses didn't come up the whole game. I'm really impressed. Woo. Where did the... Yep, there you go.